Good morning, guys. I hope you are all doing well. Where is my turn?
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, tell me about yourself.
My name is Sumit Kumar. I come from Ranapur, and nowadays I am learning only English, and I am pursuing BA second semester, and I have completed 10th and 12th class from UP board.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, I want to ask you that can you tell me why the computer is necessary in our life?
Computer.
Yeah.
Because computer is very necessary for in this era. Nowadays many companies used to use computer for the uh, for making a pdf, like a select a salary, send a salary, and transfer in direct on that on this person banks.
So is that possible that without computer we can also do any type of work?
In the company without computer we cannot.
I'm not asking about company. I'm just asking, is that possible without computer we can work?
Yeah, obviously we can do work without computer.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm also fine. I have a question for you. That if a person is ill,
Yeah.
I asked one sir also this question. If a person is ill and he knows that the person's mind is not working good,
Yeah.
then it is possible that it will be give answer correct form to the question.
Pardon, please, ma'am. Pardon.
If a person is ill,
Yeah.
that and the person mind is not working good, then it is possible that the person give correct answer to the person.
It is not possible that it will be give an answer correctly, because it has oh sorry, he has not a mindly correct. That's why he will not give answer correct.
If we are
If
talking,
if he has a if his mind not correct, that's why.
if we are not able to think something,
Yeah.
if we want to talk somebody and it is possible that we want to talk that person and our mind is not good, then it is possible that that the so what we call that samne wala person, who is that second person, that we can give answer according to that person.
Firstly, if we have a not correct mind, so we cannot give a correct answer. We can although we can give the answer, but it's not a right that we can give a correct answer.
Okay, all things are depend on our mind.
Yeah, it's a depend on our mind, because our body going by mind.
Okay, so
Go
thank
by.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
So, can you tell me about that? Why we are going on English?
Because in this era, English is an international language. All and in India, approximately 25% speak 25% person speak English. And if I talk about the Hindi, so 54% speak Hindi. And that this is a global language. If we want to go any other countries, so if we speak English, anybody can understand this language. If we will speak our national language, it is not right that they can understand our language.
So, as you said that English is the international language.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me that what's the reason behind it that it is international language?
Because in a before some years, in 18,000 years, that time British ruler was king in India and many countries. They used to rule in our countries, and they spoke English. That's why English made a global language.
As we said that we also went in British Empire,
Yeah, empire.
and that time we also speak Hindi language there, because that time we don't know about the English language. So why Hindi is not an international language?
Hindi is not by internet, because firstly British Empire rule our country, and they speak English, and we had to understand the English, and we had to learn English to talk to them.
As I came
And
to
we-
as I came to know about that, that time there was no school.
Yeah, there was.
So how with that time, how it is possible that time we can understand English?
So what is the need of school to learn English? We can learn English by the conversation.
We can,
we can talk.
but as we know about that, who is the empire, British Empire's person,
Yeah.
they don't want to talk to Indians. They talk only that person who is the king of.
Yeah, who is the king? They talk to only king.
Yes.
They talk.
So how is possible that time we can know about the English?
That's why we got slave, because we know about them English, about them language, what they want to say, what they wanted to say, and only king know that what they want to say. On the प्रजा क्या बोलूं? What? Subject प्रजा. Prija didn't know the word
Subject.
what
Subject.
subject you subject. I said this subject. I said subject. I said subject. I said the subject. What?
हम नहीं समझ पाते, बाकी ये सब बोल रहे हैं, इनके अंदर फ्लो चल रहा है बहुत तगड़ा, ये बहुत जबरदस्त बोल रहे हैं, हम ही नहीं समझ पाते बस।
Subject did not understand them language. Only king made understand them language.
But as I know about it, that time there is a one person who can translate the English, and after he can translate, he translated English language in Hindi.
But they didn't tell about they didn't tell to subject subject. That's why subject didn't know about what they want to say.
So how when subject don't know about it, that yes, this is English language, that time how it can be become a international language.
That time we were living poverty system, and we had no the more money, and the British Empire rule us, and the subject so subject was not available for the learn English.
Okay, as you said, the subject is not available to learn
Learn.
the English. So ever did you think about it that why Hindi is not international language?
Because some पहले से before
From
before
from the beginning, yeah, from the starting.
from the beginning we were living in this country, and we did not go any outside country.
But as we know about that now, this time
Yeah.
we went, we will go everywhere
Yeah.
where we want to go. So why now Hindi is not international? I'm not talking about the international. I'm talking about only the global language. Why Hindi is not global language?
Sorry ma'am, I don't know about this.
Okay, ever you think about that? Yes, Hindi should be in global language as English.
Yeah, Hindi should be global language, because we know about Hindi.
Okay, thank you. Nice
Thank
talking.
you.